Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So Gogo Skhotheni reveals that finally has she finally has faith in God, you guys. Now this comes after she shared her son's medical condition, who has been hospitalized for over 2 years since he was born, because he has a medical condition where he was born without an esophagus. Gogo Skhotheni shared this under her Facebook page. Now, she further went on to share her faith in God and shares that God will never leave her. And I have to totally agree with her, you guys, because God always puts us in conditions He knows that we will win. So, Gogo Skhotheni went under that post, and this is what she shared and wrote. I care, dear God, I am no longer selfish. Let your will be done. Ngibonile uzamile. I love you, God. Ebuhleni nase bubini. God is testing the wrong woman because there's nothing He can do that will make me doubt Him or my ancestors. I know I am a millionaire by His mercy and grace. Kodwa imali yonke iya kuye. Kodwa uti He doesn't give you a burden you can't carry. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Also, share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. Comment under this video. I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you so much, guys, for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one, because I truly appreciate it. Bye.